Hello traders, Joseph here. Thank you so much for joining me. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a possible trading opportunity on the euro, and it's something I'm going to be watching and waiting, to get involved hopefully in the coming week. So I hope you guys like it. So basically, looking at the euro on the daily chart, let me go ahead and expand this. We can summarize what the market has done. Basically, we had a bearish move, and then right now we are kind of stuck in a consolidation. We're stuck in a channel. But what caught my attention was this support level that was recently violated. Actually on Friday, after the non-farm payroll, we had a support level right there. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 times the market has tested that level, and then it got broken on Friday. So now the question is, what next for the euros? Structure tells me that this market is going to eventually go all the way down to this support level. But the question is, how are we going to get there? I personally think we're going to get a retracement. We're going to get something like this. We're going to get something like this. Then, before the market heads straight to that structure support level. So the question is, how are we going to get involved? And when is that going to happen? Well, let me bring in my Fibonacci extension tool. Swing low to swing high, back down again to the previous structure. We can see that the 1618 retracement, the market has come into the 1618 retracement. And if I actually drop this down to the 4-hour chart and bring in my RSI, we're going to see that the market is actually overbought. And not only that the market is overbought, we have a bearish divergence on the RSI. Bearish divergence meaning this low is lower than this low, but on the RSI it's the complete opposite. So we are likely to get a pop from this area back into structure before heading south. So now the question as a trader is, if this market comes back into this structure, what is the best possible scenario for us to get short? So now we're going to try and build a case for entry. So let me go ahead and delete all of this, because I don't want to make the chat too messy for you guys. Okay, take off those lines, and also I'm going to delete this Fibonacci extension. Okay, so straight away, the recent structure that was broken by the market is right here. So now, if this market retraces, if we get a pop from this level, I would be expecting this market to come into somewhere between 108 and 109 before we continue a bearish momentum. So let's try and see, other than structure, what else do we have here? If I bring in my Fibonacci extension tool, sorry, trying to click this. Bring on my Fibonacci extension tool, swing high to swing low of the previous move. We can see we have the 382 retracement. We've got a little bit of structure here, and it's close to the major structure. So we've got the 382 retracement right there, and we've got a 618 retracement close to that recent structure. So this is going to be an area for us to get short. So this is going to be an area that I'm going to be watching to get involved in the market. I mean, if you are a kind of trader, then you might be looking to go long at this point, because obviously we had the 1618 extension, and we've got oversold conditions on the RSI, excuse me, and we've got a bullish divergence. But I wouldn't be taking that trade simply because it's just too risky for me. I mean, okay, what am I doing? Let me just go back to the daily chart. If I go back to the daily chart and try and see if we do have a bit of structure near the 1618. We do have a bit of structure right there, but it's really nothing. So the best play right here is really to wait for this market to come back into structure, and we can look for an opportunity to get short. But if we get short here, where our stop loss going to be, and where's our profit limits going to be? So I will be looking to place my stops above this previous structure that the market has made. This is a pretty good area to place a stop loss right there. But what about a profit? You know, logic tells me that straight away, because this market is heading for this structure, that's where my first profit, that's where my profit limit is going to be right there. And let's try and see if we can get a Fibonacci confluence right around that profit, right around that structure. So we bring our Fibonacci extension tool of the recent move. We go swing low, swing high, and then back down again. Let's head over to our daily chart. What do we have? We've got a 1618 rotation, 1618 extension coming right at that previous structure. So now, if we go short somewhere in this zone, we've got a very good trade with a very good risk to reward ratio. I mean, 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. It's not bad. I mean, the market is heavily bearish, you know, and you're going with the trend. So this is what I'm going to be looking forward to this week, guys. And hopefully, if you like this video, then it's probably going to be the first of many videos that I'm going to be making every week for you guys. So thank you so much for watching.